Hi everyone, it's Claudine, and I wanted to make a video for those of you who are about to come and take my dance class. So I teach dance for Parkinson's on Thursday mornings, California time, 10:30 on Zoom. And I just wanted to talk about getting ready for class. Uh, my class is partially seated with some standing and a little bit of movement without any furniture. But I wanted to talk about the furniture part of this. So I have a stable chair here so that it's not going to roll around. Also, I use the chair where I sit a little forward so that I have access to my legs. So as I am fairly short, my legs, it's really hard. I'm overusing these muscles in order to move. So I like to sit in front. Most of the exercises or dance exercises, dance phrases are done seated, and it's always uh, it's always good to hang on and create a little bit of opposition. It also stabilizes your working side and your stable side. So in other words, I'm stable on one side and then I can kind of pull away and stretch without worrying about falling off of my center two sits bones, pelvic bones sitting forward. Second part is standing. So when we move to standing, I like to use some of the imagery that some of my other lovely teachers and dancers have taught me is propelling, uh, you know, finding some way that makes us naturally rise. So using imagery in order to motivate us to move up and out of the chair if you desire to do that. Um, then I wanted to show you if, it doesn't feel very safe to propel yourself off of the chair. It's perfectly reasonable to have, you'll take class and then magically someone will help put another stable chair in front of you in which you can actually just simply stand. You don't have to go anywhere. You just maybe magically this one might move back a little, but it's always available for you to sit down pretty easily. So that's a trick or a tool rather. And then the third thing I wanted to talk about was just the bar. So in dance class, we use the bar a lot to create this stability, but also an oppositional quality. So as I press my hand gently on the ballet bar, I'm standing in a way where I'm not too far away or too scrunched up here with my elbows, but rather just kind of loose, just like as though you would hold a partner if you were doing a little dance with them, or just even walking. Yeah. So this distance apart here presses so that when I do activities like stretching, tendus, or softening and bending and unbending, plie, right? As I'm doing these in these different directions, I'm really trying to use the bar. I'm not trying to avoid the bar. If you don't have a schmancy bar in the house, you can use your chair in the same way. So right now, this chair is a little too far away from me. See how that's kind of not working? But this chair is a lot better for me, I think, in terms of creating stability. So you just got to find the right pieces of furniture to assist you to have a successful, class where you feel that you can dance, be stable, and also uh, lengthen and work against our furniture in a positive way. Thanks, everybody. I will see you in class soon.